Welcome to Daily AI Brief, where we break down the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. Today's episode features groundbreaking updates in AI models and tools from IBM, Amazon, and more, tailored to enhance automation, accelerate processes, and improve data insights across industries. Stay tuned for detailed segments that reveal how these innovations can transform enterprise solutions, cloud-based developments, and more. IBM has dropped a new powerhouse in the AI space with the launch of Granite 4.0 3B Vision, a state-of-the-art vision language model tailored for enterprise document data extraction. Designed to tackle the complex nature of enterprise documents like invoices and reports, Granite 4.0 promises enhanced accuracy and efficiency, reflecting a pivotal transition towards more compact and modular AI architectures. At the heart of Granite 4.0 is a decoder-only architecture, specifically optimized for extracting structured data from both textual and visual inputs. This setup marks a shift from traditional multimodal models by focusing on simplicity and effectiveness in targeted applications. It operates with a parameter count of 3 billion, balancing performance with resource efficiency, thus making it a leader in models categorized under 7 billion parameters. The robustness of Granite 4.0 stems from its comprehensive training, which harnessed a massive dataset. It includes approximately 13.7 million pages of diverse enterprise documents, along with 4.2 million natural images. This extensive dataset preparation is crucial for achieving top results in industry-standard benchmarks, such as Chart-VQA and LiveXiv, although specific accuracy metrics are not disclosed. One of the model's standout features is its modular architecture. This design enables seamless integration with existing enterprise systems, offering flexibility in deployment, whether standalone or within larger systems. This versatility is vital for businesses seeking to streamline their document processing operations while reducing costs. A significant aspect of Granite 4.0 is its safety classification mechanism. This feature plays a critical role in filtering potentially harmful inputs, ensuring that the data extraction process adheres to security protocols, thus maintaining data integrity. However, potential challenges accompany its strengths. While the model is engineered for efficiency, its performance on highly complex documents that deviate substantially from its training data remains untested. This includes documents in varied languages or with novel structures, leading to potential overfitting risks. Despite these uncertainties, Granite 4.0 offers several pathways for practical exploration. IBM encourages developers and enterprises to explore the model on platforms like Hugging Face. Additionally, using IBM's API documentation, testers can implement and evaluate Granite 4.0's capabilities on real-world enterprise documents, providing insights into its practical applications. In conclusion, IBM's Granite vision sets a new standard in enterprise document handling, aiming to significantly reduce manual data extraction efforts while lowering operational costs. However, developers need to be mindful of its adaptability challenges and potential biases. As this technology evolves, it could drive further innovation and competitive development in AI models focused on specific enterprise applications, potentially impacting sectors like finance, healthcare, and legal services. Amazon has made significant advancements to its Bedrock Agent Core runtime, introducing managed session storage and a new API for shell command execution, reshaping the possibilities for AI-driven applications. The introduction of managed session storage allows agents to maintain their file system state across various sessions. Previously, one of the main limitations was the loss of this state, necessitating repeated initialization or configuration that disrupted workflow continuity. With the new managed session storage, agents can operate seamlessly, preserving their state and offering improved efficiency. The Invoke Agent Runtime Command API is another pioneering enhancement, offering the capability to execute shell commands directly within agent sessions. This feature drastically reduces the dependency on external tools and custom scripts, often required to manage and execute commands outside the agent environment. By bringing command execution into the agent session, developers can streamline complex workflows, enhancing productivity and reducing operational overhead. Some key features and technical components include persistent storage. This feature allows for a continuous state across session stops and starts, which is critical for stateful operations and eliminating the need for redundant data reentry. Shell command execution. Using the Invoke Agent Runtime Command API, developers can execute shell scripts directly, which simplifies coding processes and enhances automation capabilities. Seamless integration. By integrating these tools within the agent environment, Amazon ensures that complex agent workflows become more manageable and efficient, ultimately saving time and resources. These features have entered public preview as of March 2026 and offer promising advantages. However, it's noteworthy that performance metrics haven't been disclosed, and there are outstanding questions about their long-term reliability and scalability. Security is a critical aspect, especially with the introduction of shell command execution within agent sessions. Executing commands requires careful assessment of potential vulnerabilities, ensuring secure operation across various shell environments. Developers interested in leveraging these features should explore the Managed Session Storage and Invoke Agent Runtime Command API during the public preview phase. By accessing the AWS console, they can experiment with example commands provided in the AWS documentation, assessing impacts on their specific AI workflows. By unveiling these features, Amazon positions Bedrock as a more formidable player in AI-driven cloud services. The reduction in integration complexity and the enhancement of capabilities sets a new standard for AI operations within its ecosystem. As these tools evolve, Amazon is poised to influence the landscape of AI development, encouraging increased adoption and potentially prompting competitors to reevaluate their offerings. Cognichip has secured a remarkable $60 million in Series A funding to revolutionize chip design with AI. This financial boost brings their total funding to $93 million since 2024, driving their vision to streamline semiconductor design through AI. At the core of Cognichip's innovation is a physics-informed AI model that integrates physical constraints into chip design. This method offers significant advancements, such as a reduction in chip development costs by over 75%. For context, traditional chip design requires substantial budget allocations, often running into hundreds of millions of dollars when tackling advanced nodes. Cognichip's approach slashes these costs dramatically, potentially transforming the financial landscape of chip production. Additionally, it promises to cut development timelines by 50%, down from the typical 3 to 5 years needed for conventional projects to as little as 18 months. Such reductions not only enhance project feasibility, but also accelerate innovation cycles in industries reliant on cutting-edge silicon. The AI model employed by Cognichip isn't merely a theoretical construct. It actively automates the generation of system Verilog code and creates test benches, which are critical in verifying chip functionalities. This automation addresses the challenge of chip bloat by optimizing the design process, eliminating redundancies, and ensuring efficient resource utilization. Engineers find this aspect particularly appealing as it alleviates some of the intense manual efforts traditionally required. Despite these promising innovations, the widespread adoption of Cognichip's technology hinges on industry acceptance and seamless integration into existing workflows. This remains one of the several challenges. The scalability of Cognichip's models in diverse, real-world applications is still largely unproven. Established EDA tool providers like Synopsys and Cadence have long dominated the market with robust solutions, presenting Cognichip with stiff competition. For those keen to delve deeper into Cognichip's advances, visiting their official site to review detailed documentation is recommended. Exploring technical white papers and reports on AI-driven chip design methodologies can offer further insights. Staying updated on industry news and reviewing case studies that showcase practical applications of Cognichip's technology will elucidate its real-world impact. In essence, Cognichip is positioned to catalyze a transformative shift in chip design paradigms. By making custom semiconductor production more accessible and cost-effective, they could redefine the sector's competitive dynamics, fostering increased innovation in custom silicon while enhancing productivity for engineers and developers across industries. However, The journey from innovation to industry standard is complex and laden with challenges, demanding ongoing validation and acceptance within the semiconductor landscape. Z.ai's latest release, the GLM 5V Turbo, is set to revolutionize the field of vision language processing, particularly within enterprise software engineering workflows. Positioned as a closed-source model, it diverges from previous open-source frameworks to deliver enhanced, robust performance tailored specifically to meet the unique demands of corporate environments. Technical architecture and functionality. At its core, the GLM 5V Turbo utilizes a native multimodal architecture. This sophisticated design allows it to seamlessly integrate vision and language processing capabilities, making it particularly effective in handling complex software engineering tasks. By capitalizing on both visual and textual inputs, the model supports agent-driven workflows, optimizing processes using the OpenClaw framework. GLM 5V Turbo introduces several advanced functionalities in coding, reasoning, and agentic tasks. Its design is specifically crafted to automate and enhance workflows, potentially reducing manual coding efforts and expediting the development timeline within enterprise settings. Moreover, the incorporation of advanced reasoning capabilities allows it to address more nuanced coding challenges, often encountered in large-scale software projects. Benchmarks and industry comparisons. The model boasts a self-reported benchmark score of 94.8 on the design-to-code test, significantly outperforming its competitor, Claude Opus 4.6, which scored 77.3. This represents a notable enhancement in computational efficiency and task execution. However, it's important to mention that these benchmarks have not been independently verified, which may lead to questions regarding the accuracy and reliability of these claims. Token limits and pricing. GLM 5V Turbo features a context window supporting up to 200,000 tokens and a maximum output capacity of 128,000 tokens. These high token limits facilitate the processing of larger datasets and more complex tasks without the need for frequent contextual resets, enhancing workflow continuity and reducing latency. From an operational cost perspective, the pricing structure is set at $1.20 per million input tokens and $4 per million output tokens. While these costs might be considered premium, they reflect the high-level capabilities and specialized functionalities that the model offers, particularly to enterprises that require reliable and robust AI solutions for their software development needs. Practical steps and developer engagement. Enterprise developers interested in this pioneering model can access extensive API documentation through Z.ai's official site, which offers a comprehensive guide to implementing GLM 5V Turbo's capabilities into existing frameworks. Developers are encouraged to test the API by executing commands from the developer guide, enabling a hands-on evaluation of its performance against established industry benchmarks. Strategic implications and future outlook. The launch of GLM 5V Turbo is anticipated to set new standards for enterprise-level AI tools, potentially reshaping how coding automation interfaces with existing software solutions. By adopting a closed-source approach, Z.ai may influence a broader industry trend towards proprietary systems, challenging the long-held open-source paradigm. Although the shift to a closed-source model might constrain community-driven innovation and limit collaborative enhancements, it promises more stable and targeted applications. Successful deployment across various enterprises could accelerate the adoption of similar systems, compelling competitors to reconsider their own strategic approaches to AI development. In conclusion, the GLM 5V Turbo represents a significant leap forward in AI's role within enterprise software engineering, promising to redefine the integration of automation into complex coding environments. Rocket Close has reshaped the landscape of mortgage document processing by implementing a cutting-edge automated system that integrates Amazon Bedrock and Amazon Textract. This transformation involves sophisticated processes designed to manage intricate, abstract document packages quickly and accurately. The core of this implementation relies on two pivotal Amazon technologies. 1. Amazon Textract. This tool performs optical character recognition, OCR, converting document images into machine-readable text. It deciphers complex layouts and forms, enabling Rocket Close to manage over 60 diverse document classes, including detailed mortgage and legal documents. 2. Amazon Bedrock, serving as the backbone for advanced document analysis. Amazon Bedrock uses machine learning to accurately classify and extract relevant data from the digital text produced by Textract. This combination allows for nuanced handling of complex and variable document formats essential in property transactions. The system's efficiency is remarkable, averaging the processing of around 2,000 document packages daily, each comprising approximately 75 pages. Previously, manual handling of such packages could drag on for up to 10 hours each. Now, the time required to process a single package has been slashed to under 2 minutes, a substantial improvement that represents a time reduction of 99.7% per package. Accuracy, a critical factor in document classification and data extraction, is maintained at about 90%. This level of precision ensures reliable data processing, minimizing errors that could potentially disrupt transaction workflows. However, while the foundational metrics are strong, Rocket Close faces scalability challenges. The system is designed to handle up to 500,000 documents annually, but questions remain about its performance under such volumes in terms of maintaining speed and accuracy. The reliance on robust cloud infrastructure, essential for such high-volume processing, might introduce latency concerns, particularly at peak times or during unexpected demand surges. These potential issues underline the importance of high-capacity and resilient network solutions to support continuous operations without delays. Practical evaluation through hands-on testing is available via AWS's tools. Interested parties can explore AWS documentation on Amazon Textract/core docs.aws.amazon.com/textract, latest/lending document classification, extraction, OpenA, and Amazon Bedrock/tier /docs.aws.amazon.com/bedrock latest/getting started mortgage flow.html.um source OpenAI, and utilize sample documents to experience the system's capabilities firsthand. The integration spearheads a shift toward utilizing generative AI in documentation-heavy sectors, showcasing potential operational efficiencies and significant cost reductions. Rocket Close's venture sets a notable precedent. Competitors in the mortgage industry may need to adapt similar systems to remain competitive in an advancing digital landscape. The introduction of the actor simulator within AWS's Strands Evals signifies a cutting-edge shift in how conversational AI agents are evaluated, moving away from traditional static input-output methodologies to dynamic, multi-turn user interactions. Traditional evaluation methods often miss the intricate and evolving nature of real-world conversations. By integrating this tool, developers can leverage highly detailed user simulation settings to see how well AI agents perform in realistic scenarios. The core technical development of this simulator involves using large language models, LLMs, to construct diverse and dynamic user personas. These personas can exhibit varied goals, emotions, and inquiry patterns, providing AI systems with complex, multi-turn conversations that are more representative of actual human interactions. For example, a simulated user like Sarah Chen can be crafted with specific preferences, communication styles, and objectives, compelling the AI agent to navigate these intricacies as they would in a real-world application. In practical terms, moving from pre-scripted dialogues to automated test generation facilitates a more efficient evaluation process. The actor simulator adapts its responses based on the AI agent's actions, allowing for real-time adjustments that reflect unpredictable user pathways. This dynamic adaptation is crucial for evaluating how well AI agents can handle the ambiguities and variabilities of human communication. Considering numbers and benchmarks, this tool reduces the setup time associated with manual script creation, significantly dropping the time required for evaluation procedures. Moreover, while specific metrics on performance gains are not yet public, the potential for more meaningful evaluation is clear as it mirrors real-world task completions more closely. Developers interested in implementing this innovative evaluation approach should begin by exploring the Strands Evals documentation, like /strandsagents.com's latest/documentations user guide /evals SDK simulators UTM source OpenAI. Practical steps include studying usage examples and integrating the actor simulator into their existing conversational AI frameworks to commence real-time performance testing. Despite its advancements, there are limitations and trade-offs. Its full effectiveness across diverse application domains still requires comprehensive validation. Teams may face integration challenges, especially if they are not familiar with simulation-based evaluation methods. Overfitting risks based on initial persona setups could potentially lead to rigidity in AI behavior, while the simulator's generalization capabilities across different conversation types remain uncertain. Nevertheless, if successfully integrated, the actor simulator can elevate user-agent interactions significantly, paving the way for more robust, adaptable AI communication strategies. This technological leap forward not only affects immediate AI evaluation practices, but also acts as a catalyst for broader innovations in user-centric AI applications, potentially influencing future benchmarks in conversational AI capabilities. On April 2nd, 2026, NVIDIA launched the Gemma 4 family of AI models, a significant step towards enhancing AI capabilities at the edge. This release represents a strategic effort to facilitate AI execution directly on devices, which is essential for applications requiring low latency, such as autonomous vehicles and real-time data processing. Optimizing performance on diverse platforms. The Gemma 4 models are structured to operate efficiently across both edge devices and data centers, and they are especially optimized for NVIDIA hardware, including data centers, RTX GPUs, and Jetson devices. This compatibility ensures that developers can deploy these models with heightened performance efficiency. The models are crucial for industries where real-time processing is vital, and deploying AI at the edge reduces latency by processing data locally, reducing the need for constant communication with centralized servers. Model variants and capabilities. The Gemma 4 family includes 4 distinct variants: Gemma 431B, Gemma 426B A4B, Gemma 4E4B, Gemma 4E2B. These models differ in architectural features and parameter counts, enabling them to specialize in tasks ranging from reasoning and coding to processing multimodal inputs. For example, the Gemma 431B variant, with its higher parameter count, may be more suited for complex tasks requiring deep learning capabilities, while other models might cater to specific demands such as resource-constrained environments. Multimodal and multilingual capabilities. A core feature of Gemma 4 is its support for over 140 languages, a critical enhancement that allows it to be utilized in multilingual and multicultural applications. This capability is crucial for global enterprises and diverse user bases, enabling seamless interactions across varied linguistic contexts. Additionally, the models support a range of inputs from textual to auditory, making them versatile for different application needs. This multimodal input capacity expands their usability, allowing integration into platforms such as mobile devices, desktops, and robotics. Deployment tools and strategies. NVIDIA offers a suite of tools to streamline the deployment of Gemma 4 models. Tools such as VLLM, Allama, Llama.cpp, and Unsloth facilitate this process, and secure fine-tuning is supported by NIMO Automodel and NVIDIA NIM. These tools enable developers to optimize model performance seamlessly, adapting settings to specific deployment environments. Challenges and future directions. While Gemma 4 promises significant advancements, there are challenges and uncertainties to address. Performance benchmarks, such as inference speed and accuracy, are yet to be fully disclosed, leaving some uncertainty around the model's capabilities in live environments. Additionally, potential integration challenges with existing systems could pose hurdles. The sustainability of the model's open-source nature also remains in question, with long-term support and future updates currently unspecified. Furthermore, while Gemma 4 offers exciting possibilities, its effectiveness in resource-constrained edge environments requires further evaluation. Exploring Gemma 4, a call to developers. For developers eager to tap into these innovations, NVIDIA provides access to the AI Core Developer Preview. This platform offers hands-on experimentation, enabling developers to explore the deployment and performance optimization capabilities of Gemma 4 on NVIDIA hardware. This opportunity can unlock new potentials in deploying powerful AI models at the local level, pushing the boundaries of edge technology and real-time application responsiveness. In conclusion, Gemma 4 is a pivotal move in NVIDIA's pursuit of advancing edge AI technologies. It opens new avenues for deploying sophisticated AI models across diverse hardware environments, heralding a future where AI-powered devices can operate more independently and efficiently, responding to demands of the modern world with agility and minimal latency. NVIDIA's GH200 Grace Hopper superchip marks a pivotal development in achieving ultra-low latency for machine learning inference, particularly in capital markets. Capitalizing on NVIDIA's hybrid architecture, the superchip integrates a 72-core ARM-based CPU with the formidable H100 Tensor Core GPU, ideal for real-time trading and financial applications demanding rapid processing speeds. Under the hood, technical drill down. The GH200's architecture stands as a technological marvel by utilizing NVIDIA NVLink C2C, capable of a staggering 900 GB per second data transfer rate between the CPU and GPU. This interconnect technology facilitates seamless data flow necessary for executing time-sensitive financial operations. Complementing this is NVIDIA's incorporation of high-bandwidth memory, up to 480 GB of LPDDR5X and 144 GB of HBM3E, which ensures that large datasets are managed efficiently with minimal delay. The superchip's real-world application extends beyond its impressive specifications. Advanced long short-term memory, LSTM models leveraged by this chip are pivotal for precise and speedy financial predictions, a necessity in the world of high-frequency trading where milliseconds matter. These models thrive on the GH200's optimization for low-latency inference, promising quicker decision-making and agile market responses. Benchmarks and performance. In benchmark testing conducted by Supermicro, the GH200 achieved a 99th percentile latency of 4.67 microseconds. This was a substantial leap forward, outperforming previous FPGA-based systems by 7% to 20%, thereby setting a new bar for latency performance in financial analytics. These benchmarks highlight not only the GH200's capability, but also its reliability in high-stakes environments, essentials for firms aiming for a competitive edge through technology. Real-world integration and implications. Practical implementation of the GH200 involves setting up infrastructure, such as a Supermicro server, configured specifically for leveraging the superchip's capabilities. Industry players are encouraged to explore NVIDIA's extensive documentation to fully harness the suite of APIs available, facilitating smooth integration into existing software stacks. The adoption of GH200 could signify a paradigm shift in hardware strategies for financial firms. As trading environments evolve to prioritize speed and precision, the GH200's ability to handle real-time data and execute trades almost instantaneously can lead to significant advantages. Firms integrating this technology might see not just a reduction in latency, but also elevated liquidity and innovative trading strategies propelled by AI-driven insights. Trade-offs and considerations. While promising, the GH200's performance hinges on specific workloads and configuration, and not all firms may achieve the reported microsecond latencies consistently due to varying operational environments and system setups. Moreover, as the chip enters full production, questions regarding affordability and broader accessibility remain, particularly for smaller firms without substantial technology budgets. Speculative outlook. NVIDIA's GH200 not only sets a new precedent in financial markets, but also spurs broader technological curiosity and innovation. As AI and computing continue to advance, possibilities for even lower latencies are on the horizon. Moreover, this technology's influence may extend beyond finance, potentially revolutionizing industries like healthcare and logistics with its real-time data processing capabilities. Conclusion. Ultimately, NVIDIA's GH200 Grace Hopper superchip is reshaping the landscape of algorithmic trading and financial data analytics, establishing new standards for performance, efficiency, and technological integration. As the market anticipates further developments, the superchip symbolizes both current advancements and future possibilities in the realm of AI-enhanced financial decision-making. Organizations are recognizing the urgent need to bridge the gap between AI technology and business value by deploying agentic AI systems. These systems, characterized by their autonomous operational capabilities, hold the promise of transforming the efficiency of business processes significantly. Yet, the journey to achieving returns on investment, ROI, in such projects entails a series of complex challenges that involve costs, training, data infrastructure, and ensuring robust governance frameworks. Agentic AI is designed to execute tasks autonomously, which can dramatically reduce cycle times and compliance costs across various sectors. By minimizing the need for constant human oversight, these systems can operate efficiently when integrated with existing tech stacks like CRM, ERP, and HR software, effectively streamlining operations. Furthermore, incorporating audit logs and role-based access can bolster trust and ensure compliance, which is critical in highly regulated environments. The statistics speak volumes about the potential interest and scale. While a staggering 92% of companies plan to enhance their AI investments within the next 3 years, nearly 50% of agentic AI projects still find themselves mired in the proof of concept phase, primarily due to concerns over privacy, security, and compliance. This shows a glaring disconnect between strategic aspirations and the technical realities that organizations face. To remediate these challenges, organizations should adopt a structured approach, beginning with the clear definition of processes and ownership roles within their AI implementation strategies. Investing in an improved data infrastructure is vital for supporting agentic AI effectively. High data quality and availability are cornerstones of any successful AI deployment. Pilot projects should focus sharply on achieving measurable outcomes rather than overly complex intelligence metrics that may not translate into practical business benefits. Nevertheless, potential pitfalls abound. Automating flawed processes could inadvertently worsen existing inefficiencies, thus necessitating a thorough review and stabilization of current workflows before laying AI layers over them. Careful consideration in this phase can fortify the robustness of agentic AI implementations, allowing companies to harness notable efficiencies. Adopting agentic AI not only promises to redefine operational efficiencies, but also pushes companies to rethink their governance and risk management strategies critically. Such comprehensive frameworks are essential to overcome the deployment hurdles and to fully realize the productivity and economic benefits envisioned with AI systems. By embedding these AI agents into well-structured workflows and reinforcing them with clear governance measures, firms can forecast and realize operational efficiencies, offering a significant competitive edge in the evolving market landscape. That's it for today's episode of Daily AI Brief. We explored a range of innovative AI applications, from IBM's vision language advances to NVIDIA's revolutionary low-latency solutions. As technological landscapes continue to evolve, these developments underscore the importance of integrating AI effectively to achieve business success. Join us tomorrow for more insights and updates on how AI is reshaping industries worldwide.